How to fix ear speaker on iPhone not working. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then you want to go ahead and tap on hearing devices. Before doing this, make sure your ear speaker is clean. After that, tap on it and turn on the toggle button for hearing aid capability. Tap on OK. Now you want to go back to the home page of settings. Then you want to turn off the Bluetooth connection. Because if you have turned it on, Bluetooth speaker might have to the audio of your phone instead of ear speaker. Next, go back to settings again and then scroll down. Now you want to go ahead and tap on accessibility again and this time tap on touch. Now, here you need to scroll down to the very bottom. Then you want to tap on call audio routing. Tap on it and make sure you have selected the option of speaker. And just like that, you will be able to fix ear speaker on iPhone not working. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.